Redmi Note 9s, the best performance. A brand new smartphone have an amazing latest features. 48 megapixel all quad camera, 16.9 centimeter dot display, triple Corning Gorilla Glass 5, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, side mounted fingerprint sensors, 2.1 macro SD slot, 18-volt fast charging, 5020 mAh battery. 2 megapixel depth sensor captures your beauty. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, introducing Snapdragon's powerful 700 series processors to the Redmi Note series for the first time. 5020 ultra high capacity battery and 18-volt fast charger. Outstanding designs, symmetrical design, stunning aesthetic and improved design. 3D covered glass back for good grip and maximum comfort. Micro level texture design. Side mounted fingerprint sensors. Tiny dot display, first time ever on the Redmi Note devices. 91% screen to body ratio for the ultimate immersive experience. Outstanding imaging system. 48 megapixel all quad cameras, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth camera. 48 megapixel ultra high resolution main camera capture the magnificent. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, increased touchness and durability. Z-axis linear vibration motor provides better haptic feedback.